So, hi everyone. I know you guys are having a lot of trouble after when that latest next draft by NMC has been released. I am sure that you have read it by now. So there are a lot of points in that particular draft, but I think two points which are the most troubling for me as well, and I thought I'll just come over and discuss those 2 points. Those 2 points being the common counseling and the score valid for the next 3 years. Let's talk about the first one. The first one, that particular line. Now let me clear it out that this is a draft. The government or that commission particularly has put out this draft so that they can check the public reaction around it. They are taking advices, they are taking considerations. So that is why the first draft has been released. It is not the final version. The first line, the first point, actually, the common counseling. Now, that particularly points out to a direction where they're saying that they will dissolve all the other examinations like INI-CET and all the postgraduate seats available throughout India, the whole matrix now will only be considered with one examination at postgraduate level, and that will be called as NEXT. So no more INI-CET, no more any other examination, and only one examination called the NEXT. All the central institutes will be given a seat based on the score of NEXT only. The central counselling, the state counselling, both will be considered under DGSS with all the reservations and everything. But the only counselling authority will be the Directorate General of Health Services, the DGHS. So this is a combination of the first point that I think I might have cleared out for you guys. If you still feel there's anything left, please put out a comment in the comment section. The second point being the score valid for the next 3 years. Now this can be taken in two directions. The first being that you give the examination. Now whatever score that you get, that particular X score will now be with you for the next 3 years. You can do anything. I mean, you can pursue as an MBBS, you can basically go for US Assembly, try for IAS, anything. And for the next 3 years, that particular score will be with you and you can come and attend any subsequent counseling, put out that score, and the government will happily give you the score, that seat available at that particular score. It's as simple as that. The whole star upon this condition can be whether a student will be allowed to give the next examination within those 3 years, or will he be allowed only to give the examination after that particular 3-year period is over. So now this particular clarity is still awaited by the government, from the government, sorry. Okay, but under what I was thinking in my own personal opinion is that once the student gives the examination, he or she will either have to give the examination again by dropping 1 year and then give the next examination a year, and then when he or she finally continues, so that particular score will be with them for the next 3 years and it will be considered as a lock-in period where they will not be able to give the examination again. So this is my own personal opinion, but let's wait and see what the government clarifies due to this particular point. So now the next, and do understand that NEXT is not just a postgraduate examination. I'm sorry, NEXT is a licentiate examination now. NEXT 1 is going to give you your temporary license and NEXT 2 is going to give you your permanent license. And every person in the whole world, if wants to practice in India, has to pass through NEXT 1, then the internship, has to do that compulsory internship and then give the NEXT 2 to get their permanent license. So this is the whole concept. So all the 3 parts, the next one, the internship and the next 2 is to be compulsorily given in India and through NMC categorized, NMC recognized hospitals only. So this is how the whole concept is supposed to be. So an IMG or an FMG, both have to give the next one, then the internship and the next 2. Only then they will get the medical license to practice in India. Okay, so next one is also giving this thing called your postgraduate seat. So that's the second job of next one. Next 2 has nothing to do with the postgrad seat. Only next one is supposed to act as your temporary license giver, your postgraduate exam also, the entrance examination, and only after clearing the next one you can start your internship. Next one is not replacing your final year examination. All the 4 prof will be taken as they were given before. Only difference is earlier your final prof was the examination that you were supposed to clear to get you your temporary degree. You remember your days? If you don't, so basically in my time also, you basically gave the pre-prof by the college authorities. Then for prof, external authorities used to come, external examiners used to come, and then they used to give you a passing certificate, and then you became a DR dot in India. That's a temporary doctor. And after clearing your internship, you used to become a permanent authority, permanent licensee basically. Now that particular job is taken away from final prof and is given to next one. But the final prof in itself will be there, and it will be taken by the college authorities or the university authorities. So final prof is not being replaced by the next. It is being an added on thing. So I think these were some points that many of my students were troubled about this. So if you have any more feedback for me or any other points that are troubling you, please put it in the comment section, and I'll surely try to study for them and find some more information regarding that. But till then, I think these were the two main points that were troubling many students, and I hope I have cleared that for you. So best of luck and all the best for upcoming NEET PG.